The 2002 Jeep Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, driver airbag, power steering, front floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, passenger airbag, bucket seats, intermittent wipers, auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.